What's up, Evers? I'm having a garage door problem I was thinking you might be able to help me with or show me what's up. So anyway, this is our garage door here. Some old Genie motor. Screw drive, it says on it. So anyway, what's going on is that thing is busted, of course. You know, well, at least it just doesn't work that I know of. So anyway, and then when I open the door, it's all crooked and shit. So it's got these funky springs on it. Some weird shit, actually. So I'm gonna open it for you, buddy, and show you what happens when I open it. Try and get this thing set up. Alright, here goes nothing. Wow, it worked perfectly this time. That's weird. And normally it's all crooked and shit. Maybe when I close it. Yeah, it's just... I don't know. That's how we lock it. So anyway, I guess I'm wondering, me and my roomie were thinking about splitting it, you know, like paying for this to get done. And so anyway, tell me what you think. Later, buddy.